Hi guys, today the name of my cooking is going to be surprise. So here is the list of ingredients. So here's the list of ingredients. Beef, onion, and rosemary, thyme, and also salt, brown paper, and also carrots and potato. Now I'm going to put all the seasoning to the beef. Let's smush it together.
Why did you do that?
I'll do this one.
I'm gonna do this one.
Now I'm going to put the beef, and the carrot, the potato, and the garlic into the slow cooker. I'm going to leave them in the slow cooker with the low heat for 9 to 10 hours. So see you tomorrow. Bye. I think it's time to taste test. It's already been 10 hours and it already looks so tender. Now let's taste the moment of truth. And the name is beef joint with slow cook. Yum. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you had a good time. And make sure to subscribe and hit the bell button for more videos. Bye!